how do we record different kinds of videos? First video we're going to look at today is how do we record a webcam video? How is that possible? Well, let's break it down and see how we do it. So inside the Dubb dashboard here, Dubb Studio dashboard, inside of here, there is a giant red button right up here at the top. It says create video. Can't miss it. Click this button here and it's going to open up your webcam. Now, when we open up here, we have some cool options here. So number one is right up here at the top, we have an option for a teleprompter. So if we want to click here, all we need to do is have a script saved inside the Dubb platform to be able to access it. Now, if you don't have a script, you can click create new script. It'll pop you over into scripting and just save it right in there. Now, the teleprompter, once you choose your script, and I can search for the script just by the title. Let's just look this one up right here. Here is your speed between 1 and 10. Here is your play button. You always want to test the speed to see if it's good for you. If you're going too fast, it probably is. You can back the text off or you can zoom in a little closer. Now, you also can edit this script. A lot of the times when you're doing script stuff, sounds good when you write it, but when you read it out loud, you might want to make some real-time changes. That's going to be the pencil icon right here. Make the changes, click save, and you are good to go. Now, before we use the teleprompter here, down here at the bottom, you have some other options. If I select the virtual background option, now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to go here. See where it says your photos or video. I can select a video or photos, either one. And when you do this, just make sure you're uploading into here the video MP4 or the screenshot that you like. And what's happening is it's creating a library that you can access. And then all you have to do is select what you want behind you, click select, and boom, you get the video or the image behind you just like this. Now you want to make sure that you have good front light. Okay, that's really, really important because if you're not well lit, the background's not going to look as good. If you are talking with your hands, I would go dinosaur T-Rex arms. Keep them in here. I wouldn't go out into the soup. I would keep it right in here. Now, you can also do this. You can select your webcam down here below if you have a different webcam, microphone if you have a built-in one like the one right here, you can do that. So, and you can select the quality down here. We have it on auto, works really good on that setting. You also can mirror the video, blur the background, you can do noise removal. You have all those options below. Now, in terms of putting this together and recording something, I'm going to select the teleprompter up here at the top. I'm going to type in my script that we had before. And now to record, all I have to do is do this. Hit the red button right in the middle, and we're going to click record, and here we go. Hi, this is Rob from Dubb. We are the sales operating system. We use video automation and contact management to create connections, conversations, and conversions. And I can hit the pause button right down here at the bottom if I want to do that. I can hit the red X to delete the video. It'll always ask you, are you sure? It's a great button. And then if you want to save this into the platform, you can hit the check mark right there. Now that's a quick little recording in terms of how to do it directly to camera like this. But the one thing that you can do to add to this is the hook that we talked about. So when you have the hook, here's how you would add it here. We have the Dubb mobile app on the phone, Dubb mobile app, D-U-B-B-A-P-P. Grab the little whiteboard feature right at the top. It's right there. If you tap here, all you do is type. So you type your hook here, type it, turn it, and then you have your hook. So if I was going to record this, I could go just like this. Hit record. I got my hook here. Hey, this is Rob. Listen, I wanted to reach out because recording personalized videos in sales is the #1 way to break through the noise. And I want to talk about the value today. And we're going to break that down. Hit the check mark. Now it's going to save this video into the Dubb platform. Anytime it saves a video into Dubb, it's going to take you to the video edit page. That is how you record a video from the webcam. Whether you want a virtual background, no virtual background, teleprompter, it's all available right there. And that's that topic. Hey, it's Rob, your AI and video coach from Dubb. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know your thoughts below in the comments, and please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more trainings just like this.